How are we doing today?
Just kind of came out of nowhere.
Oh no, I'm Donald.
I'm Steve. How you doing?
What happened to the car?
Well, I tell you what, I was coming out, kind of stomp on the brakes.
Right.
Somebody had stopped in front of me. It's just not getting any gas. It'll kind of like start to run a little bit, but as soon as I start to give it any gas, it just cuts out.
That's me. Fuel pump fire went out.
That's what I'm thinking. I had the same thing happen to me about 15 years ago.
That phone number you folks got, where's that out of?
St. Louis.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's pretty good ways home from home.
Yeah, it is. So I think what we're going to do is just, tow it over to that Firestone.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And then
we can do that.
Let them deal with it. But I'll try and, but yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Do you guys got a place to go to, or?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We're
I'm thinking they probably won't get till Monday or Tuesday.
No. Yeah, we're good on that. Even my daughter's got a car, so we can use her car. But
gotcha. I'll say if you want to, we can take it back to St. Louis too.
No, we'll just take it to Firestone.
Okay, I got you. Well, do me a favor. Sign your name on the X for me.
All right.
Now we got to figure out how we're going to get all of us over there.
Well, we have somebody coming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so probably just be myself.
Okay. Well, we'll just wait for them to get here. How long do you think that's going to be?
I think you should be here any minute.
Okay.
About
3
or 4 minutes.
There ain't no sense having people standing down here in the cold.
Yeah, I know.
It's too cold for all that nonsense. So you guys came down here to visit the daughter, huh?
Yeah, we did. This wasn't exactly on the plans, but like I said, it was just running great. I mean, it's been a good car. I really haven't. This is the first time it's broken down since I bought it, and it's been about, I don't know.
Well, can I see the key to that thing for a second?
Sure.
Sometimes they stall out when you do that.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was. That's what I was.
Hi.
How you guys doing today?
Thank you for coming so quick.
No problem.
The fact that it's kicking over like that.
Make sure something didn't come off. Because if we can save you $1, that's what we're here for.
Yeah, that would be great.
You got that?
Yeah.
Let's see, it's got spark plugs back there underneath the intake. Yeah, I ain't seen no loose hoses or anything stupid like that.
Yeah.
That's going to be a fun one for them to figure out.
Yeah. Well, I think it would be a fuel pump if it's being able to idle like that, but it just won't take a load.
I've seen some of the fuel pumps do that.
Yeah.
But it's not revving up, like it's not getting enough fire.
Yeah.
So, who knows? I know the engine light's on, so that'll help them out a lot. All right, like I said, we'll just wait till whoever gets here, and then we'll load you up.
All right.
I'm going to say, if you want, go ahead and leave it running. That way you guys can have heat.
Yeah, all right.
All right. Do what?
We don't want to.
Yeah, you can go ahead and just put it on the truck, and then because you got to be here.
Her friend will be here in a few minutes. So
well, I just didn't want you guys standing out here in the cold.
Thank you.
Because the way traffic is around here, you never know. He could be right around the corner. No.
Okay.
He could be stuck around the corner in traffic and not be able to go anywhere. Okay. You just never know.
Well, thank you.
Yep.
Thanks for everything.
So now it sounds like Mom and Dad's going to get the dog out of your car. Remember all the times you borrowed their car and went drag racing and partying in it?
Oh, yeah.
Payback's coming. All right. Like I said, we'll just wait for them.
Thank
Yep.
you.
Might as well shut your door and keep your heat in there.
All right. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for coming so quick.
Oh, no, anytime.
Yeah. Well, I was going to go back with your dad.
Well, Steph, just go to meet at the Firestone now.
Right there, right off Bannister, right in front of Home Depot. The Firestone's right in front of Home Depot off the highway.
I think it is off of Bannister. Yeah, Bannister.
It's all good. You know what Home Depot is, don't you? You know what Home Depot is on Bannister? You know where the old Bannister Mall used to be? It's on this side of 435.
You know where the Firestone is?
It's right in front of Home Depot.
All right.
Is that the same fire zone?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
yeah.
Because we're all from St. Louis.
It's
That's all good.
4707
Yeah,
Bannister.
that's where it is.
All right, all right.
All right, let's get you guys loaded up. Can I have the keys to this thing? I'll say if you folks want it, if you're going to go with us, you go ahead and make yourself at home in the truck, hon.
Oh,
All right.
Okay, all right.
What?
Oh, tractor. See, I told you we didn't want you to get out of my truck. I'm trying to keep you.
I know I got that YouTube going.
Here, just a second. Let me give you this information.
You got everything?
I got your keys still. Hold on just a second. Give you this. My name is Donald. It's called Life of a Tow Truck Man.
That's funny.
On YouTube. I mean, you can look me up on the internet, whatever. It's on there. There's that for you.
All right.
There's the keys back to you. Now, I didn't lock that car in case you guys still need to get stuff out of there.
We got a lot of stuff.
But the office is right here.
All right.
Really good people in here.
All right.
Okay.
So, like this should be easy for your daughter to find you right here.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you didn't have to do that.
No, thank you.
Thank you, hon.
Thank you, Don.
Yeah, have a good day.
Thank you.
Wow, that was
Yep.
great.
Thanks for everything. Appreciate it.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe on that thing, you know. You
All right.
can get a bill from me every day. Because I usually post stuff about it every other day, so. But when you meet nice people, you can't help but put them on.
Pretty neat idea.
Have a good one, guys.
Yeah,